Today in this video I am gonna explain anti-revoke iOS, DNS anti-revoke for Scarlet or Esign on iOS. I will show you some tricks to fix with anti-revoke iOS, DNS anti-revoke for Scarlet or Esign on iOS. Sure, here is a step-by-step process based on the content you provided. Go to the App Store and search for a web proxy tool. Install the recommended tool. Open the web proxy tool and allow it. Enter your security information. Install the certificate and click Allow. Make sure the notification for profile download is completed. Go to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Install the profile. Download Telegram for the App Store if you haven't already. Join the recommended Telegram group. Follow the instructions in the Telegram group to install anti-revoke. Allow any necessary permissions. Within the Telegram group, select the desired tweaks app. Example, TikTok Dark. Click the provided link. Download and install the app. After installing the Tweaks app, go back to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Ensure that the profile is verified. Open the installed Tweak apps to ensure they are functioning correctly. Verify that the apps are not crashing and can be used normally. Confirm that the alternative method has successfully allowed you to install tweaked apps without facing revocation issues. This process should help users troubleshoot and resolve issues with installing and using Scarlet apps or tweaks on iOS devices. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.